Okay, I would like to show you a feature which came with version 2026.1, and I waited for this feature for a long time because it is a powerful combination of two commands, which is the place command and instancing. Here is our example. This raver guy, he needs some hair, so he can go on the dance floor and dance with chicks who love his hair. So I have three types of hairs I would like to install on his head. Let's take the first one. I press Ctrl D and the place command is active. I grab this first one, this first version, from its bottom. I place it somewhere here, and obviously I have to flip. I press F. And I push it a little bit inside into the head so it doesn't stick out. That's okay. And the new feature allows us to toggle on instancing. I will first make a copy without instancing. So I press enter and keep on placing here. And this time I will toggle on this feature. So I press I and again press enter. And here you can see the difference. The first copy is the one without instancing feature toggled on, and the second one is the one with instancing feature toggled on. So let's keep on adding some hairs. Now I will continue with this one. Ctrl D, again grab this guy from the bottom, mount it on his head and press F obviously for flipping the direction. Drag along this arrow for pushing this hair in, and I press again I for toggle make instances. And I press escape for going out of the place mode, and let's take the third one again. Ctrl D for running place, do the same thing. I for instancing and press enter for continuing. Okay, I think that's fine, and I will give this guy some colors. So in render mode, I mean his hairs. So I select the original version, press M. Color like this, and you see that the instances are colored simultaneously. I do the same for these guys. I haven't found a function like link materials like in Blender, so I have to redo this operation for each. And you immediately see that the only one, the first one I created with the place command, the first copy wasn't colored because it's not an instance. So let's say I take this second version of hair and I want to make it bigger. So I select the original part, press S, V for changing the pivot, and I bring the pivot to the bottom of this part. And if I again press S, look what happens. You can adjust. And let's say I want to make this one smaller, the first version. Press S, V, press again S, and I can make something like this. I can press R, Z, and now I can rotate these and make all kinds of adjustments with the original one and the instances which I have placed with the place command. That's the important thing. Instancing in combination with the place command. These parts adjust simultaneously. Let's delete this one. Create another instance here. Ctrl D. Select it again from its bottom. Mount it on his head, press F, press D for offsetting, so you don't have to drag along this arrow if the scene is a little bit cluttered, like in this case. So you can use all the shortcuts, and the last shortcut I will use is I for creating an instance of this guy. It's not visible yet, but as soon as I press enter for continuing to add another copy, you see that we have created an instance out of this copy. And I press escape for getting out of the place command. And I can do my adjustments. Now all the hairs here on his head are instances. You get the idea. The combination of place command and instancing is very powerful. Add it to your workflow and keep on raving. Peace!